Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter number 3, Kinship, Caste and Class. The subtopic is Kinship and Marriage. So, in this video, we will discuss the different kinds of the marriage system and rules of the marriage system, and about the Gotra, and about the different rules of Gotras, and also why the battle, Kurukshetra battle was started. So, let's start. See, the ideal of Petalini. What is the meaning of Petalini? And see, here is one of the picture. And the ideal of Petalini is the Mahabharata is story about kinship, and it described a feud over a land and power between two groups of cousins who belonged to single ruling family. Ultimately, the conflict ended in battle and Petalini succession was proclaimed. All of you know that the only for the Petalini property and only for the land that it was created one of the biggest problem, and also it becomes one of the fierce battle during the ancient time, means in Mahabharata story. And it was that battle was fought between the two cousin brothers, and and also it described a feud over a land, only for the land, only for the property, that battle was started. And many ruling claimed to follow the system, but sometimes there were no sons, and in such situations brothers and other kinsmen succeeded one another. तो यहाँ पे इसको देख करके भी बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल वहां पे क्रिएट होता था, बहुत सारे रूलिंग डायनेस्टी भी ऐसा टाइप का सिस्टम को अपनाने के लिए कोशिश किए थे. सो यहाँ पे हमको ये समझना चाहिए, तो ओनली फॉर द पेट्रिलिनी प्रॉपर्टी द बैटल वाज स्टार्टेड बिटवीन द टू कजन ब्रदर्स. नेक्स्ट, rules of marriage. What was the rules of marriage? Marriage का rule क्या था? Now while sons were important for continuing patronage, हमको पता है कि एक राज धर्म को, राज सिंहासन को या एक किंगडम को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए सन का ही जरूरी होता है. So daughters were viewed differently with this framework, and daughters had no claim to resources of household. At the same time, marrying them into families outside the kin was considered desirable. मतलब सन का ही था पावर कि वो ही प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में क्लेम कर पाएगा, लेकिन डॉटर्स हैड नो क्लेम टू रिसोर्सेस ऑफ हाउस होल्ड. वो हाउस होल्ड का मतलब घर का प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर में वो दावी नहीं कर पाएगी. But this gave rise to believe that Kanyadan was an important religious duty of the father. So during the marriage of a son, during the marriage of a daughter, the father gave rise to believe, that means father gave some gift with his daughter, and it was the property of the daughter. And also this was the Kanyadan, it was an important religious duty of the father. And these norms were compiled in Sanskrit, means that system it was exerted from the Dharma Sutras and Dharma Shastras. So according to Dharma Shastras and Dharma Sutras, this type of the system was prevailed during the ancient time. And the types of marriages. Different types of marriages were there. First one is actually four kinds of marriages. One is endogamy, that is the marriage within a unit, means same unit के भीतर में जब शादी होता है, that is known as the endogamy. Next one is exogamy, marriage outside the unit, अपना जाति को अपना किनशिप के भीतर बाहर जाकर के शादी करना. Then polygyny, practice of men having several wives. Example is different kings and emperors. Those were having several wives, that is the system of polygyny. Last one is polyandry, means practice of women having several husbands. Example is, most important example is here Draupadi we can take. So Draupadi had several husbands, means 5 husbands. So that system known as polyandry. So these 4 kinds of marriage system was prevailed during the time. And the gift of daughters after dressing her in costly clothes and honoring her with jewels to men. Means during the period, father also given important gifts, means some property also given to his daughter as a gift, and also to men learned in Veda whom father himself invites. सो यहाँ पे सॉन को इनवाइट करना मतलब ब्राइड और ग्रूम जो है एक को गिफ्ट देना और एक को इनवाइट करना. दैट वाज द सिस्टम ऑफ मैरिज. गोत्र ऑफ वुमेन. व्हाट इज द गोत्र? See, one of Brahminical practice evident from approximate 1000 BC onwards was to classify the people in terms of gotra. गोत्र का कुछ क्लासिफाई किया गया था अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1000 BC onwards के बाद. Each गोत्र was named in वैदिक सिर. सारे गोत्रों को जो नाम है वैदिक सिर के नाम के हिसाब में, बहुत बड़े बड़े वैदिक युग का साधु संत और मुनि ऋषियों के नाम के हिसाब में गोत्रों को रिनेम किया गया है. एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज हु बिलोंग टू सेम गोत्र वर रिगार्डेड एज डिसेंडेंट्स. एंड टू रूल्स अबाउट गोत्र. दो इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स था ये कि वुमेन वर एक्सपेक्टेड टू गिव अप देयर फादर्स गोत्र एंड अडॉप्ट हस्बैंड्स गोत्र. आफ्टर द मैरिज शी शुड गिव अप देयर फादर गोत्र एंड अडॉप्ट हर हस्बैंड्स गोत्र. So that is one of the important rule. Next one is members of same gotra cannot marry. एक ही समान गोत्र में किसी का भी शादी नहीं हो सकता. So these were the two important rules of gotras or gotra of women. Next one is why kinfolk quarreled. So all of you know that what is the reason behind the quarrel, means behind the battle. See, here is one of the most important story. Now I am telling about that. Here is not given according to the point, but you can find out the points. So the Kauravas were the son of Dhritarashtra and Pandavas were the cousin. And since Dhritarashtra was blind, his younger brother Pandu ascended throne of Hastinapur. हस्तिनापुर में पांडु एंड धृतराष्ट्र दोनों भाई थे पहले. दोनों भाई के भीतर में आफ्टर द डे प्रीमेच्योर डेथ ऑफ पांडु धृतराष्ट्र बिकेम द किंग. उस समय में प्रीमेच्योर डेथ, बड़े भाई का डेथ हो जाने के बाद धृतराष्ट्र को राज्य को संभालना पड़ा. एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम बिकॉज पंचु पांडवस दे वर स्मॉल वन एंड दे when they grew up together the citizens of Hastinapur, जब वो लोग बड़े हो गए, began to express their preference for Pandavas and this made Duryodhan jealous. जब लोग बोले कि पांडव को अभी राज्य दे देना चाहिए क्योंकि ना वो लोग बड़े हो चुके हैं, बट उस समय में दुर्योधन को बहुत जेलस फील हुआ. He approached his father and said, उसको पापा को बोला कि you yourself did not receive the throne. अपने आप तो थ्रोन को नहीं लिए ना, मतलब राज्य सिंहासन को तो नहीं लिए थे. पांडु मर जाने के बाद उनको जबरदस्ती सिंहासन में बैठा गया था और ऐसा ही मिला था उनको राज्य को संभालने के लिए. तो अभी आपका बेटा के हिसाब में we have to that rights to take the throne, and if Pandavas receive patrimony from Pandu, his sons will severely inherit in turn. So we ourselves with our sons shall be excluded. So दुर्योधन का कहने का मतलब ये था कि यदि आप राज्य संभालने के लिए उस समय में राज्य को ले लिए थे, तो as a son of yours we have same duty and so we have same rights to that throne. So अभी हम लोग पांडव को नहीं दे सकते. So this the only for that reason the kinfolks started the quarrel. Next one is that the battle of Kurukshetra. See why the battle of Kurukshetra it was started. All of you know that. See, here is given. This battle is called Mahabharata. This battle is also called Mahabharata. Means we have seen the television, there are so many mythological serials going on now. So Mahabharata means the battle of Kurukshetra. So war, as it involved number of ancient kingdom, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे kingdoms जुड़े थे and participating as allies of rival groups. दोनों तरफ में बहुत पार्टिसिपेट किए थे. द लोकेशन इज इन कुरुक्षेत्र इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. नॉर्थ इंडिया में हम लोग इसका दिल्ली के पास जो है लोकेशन देख पाते हैं. और इट वाज कंटिन्यूड फॉर 18 days एंड द नैरेटिव्स डिस्क्राइब्स individual battles and death of various heroes of both of sides. यहाँ पे दोनों साइड से बहुत बड़े बड़े पावरफुल हीरो का डेथ हुआ था. Military formations was diplomacy, meetings and discussions among characters and also different weapons also used. बहुत सारा मिलिट्री फॉर्मेशन जो था ये भी ध्वंस हुआ था, डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ था. एंड there are so many diplomatic system rules also applied by Lord Sri Krishna, and there were so many weapons also used, and it suggests the suggested dates from 561 BC to 950 BC, and that war marked to Kali Yuga and dates it to the 3102 BC. उसके बाद पता चला था कि now Kali Yuga came to about to came. So this was the today's topic. So students, you should listen carefully and try to understand that most important mythology of our India. The next period we will discuss the remaining parts of the lesson. Thank you.